I just wanted to come on here and try to help you out with that number 6 on the practice problems 1.3. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Hopefully. Sometimes this doesn't quite work out the way I want it to. I'm also trying this with these headphones, hoping that you can hear me better. Don't mind my crazy hair. When it's humid, my hair goes crazy. Anyways, so here's number 6 on our work that was due today. Don't worry about it. I say it's due today just to kind of help you identify what assignment I'm talking about, but you know, it has a due date, but if you get it turned in tonight or tomorrow, you'll be fine. No worries. So it says, here are 2 copies of the same figure. Show 2 different ways for finding the area of the shaded region. All angles are right angles. So it says, use this drawing file and draw lines on each shape to show how you would find the area, then find the area. So I'm going to click on this drawing file. It's going to pop up and make me make a copy, just like some of the other things I've done when you've had to make a copy of your work or whatever, and then paste a copy into your answer. Hopefully you haven't had any trouble with that. I'm not the greatest at that, but other people have done it. So if you need that, let me know, but hopefully you're good on that part. So it's making a copy. So at this point, it brings me into Google Draw. Now notice that it said to show 2 different ways that I can find the area of this shaded region. So these are like irregular shapes, just in the sense that they're not perfect rectangles or perfect squares. So I can't just do area equals length times width because I don't have that to do it with. If I do 6 times 10, that's implying that I have all this space up here taken up, and I don't. So I have to take this shape and break it into smaller shapes that I know how to find the area of, so that then I can add all of those things together and get the area of this shape. So I'm going to take the line tool and I'm going to draw lines to separate my shape. So they're not probably going to be perfect, but so there's a line there. So that makes this large rectangle right here. And then I can put another line right here, which will make this medium-sized rectangle and this littler rectangle. So then, if I was to show my work, potentially, however you want to do it, but I can write in here. So notice this side says 6 and this side says 3. So I have to make sure I decide which number represents the side that I'm looking at. Well, clearly it's 3 because I just have this small piece, right? So 3, that's a horrible 3, times, and then I know the long part has to be 10. So 3 times 10, and that will give me the area of this rectangle. Well, it's not letting me make equal signs, so you can figure it out. Okay, so then I have to do this medium one. So I have this side, which is pretty easy to tell is 2. But then I have this part, plus I still need this piece. So I can see that this part is 3, and then if I look up here, this is 2. So 3 plus 2 would make 5. So I know that this area would be 2 times 5. Wow, I'm doing a horrible job writing tonight. And then I have this little bitty rectangle, which is 1 by 2. So I do 1, again, it's not writing very well for me. 1 times 2. So then I'm going to find all those answers. So 3 times 10 equals 30, 2 times 5, 2 times 1. And then I'm going to add all of those together. So I'm going to have 3 numbers that I'm adding together. It's not letting me write an addition sign. So I'm going to take 3 numbers. I'm going to add those 3 numbers together. And then that will be my total area. So that's one way that you can split that shape up to find the area. Now this is the same exact shape, so you should get the same exact area that you get over here. You just need to find a different way to break it up. So I kind of showed you one way. What's another way you could break it up over here? and have things that you can multiply together that are smaller pieces that you can add together to make a bigger piece. Okay, hopefully that is what you need. When you finish, there are directions up there above that second shape that tell you how to hopefully save it and get it put back into Canvas to answer the question. So if you need more help, let me know. Hopefully this video gave you enough information that you can be on your way and get your quiz finished. I'm sure you just want to get it done at this point. All right, I hope you have a wonderful night or a wonderful day, depending on when you see this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.